Now this is the third part of the question number 2 of exercise 3.4. Find the value of this if this is given. Now we take this, and by using the component of dividend theorem we will find the value of this. Now again we write this: x is equal to 12ab over a minus b. Now here we will divide both sides by 6a by dividing both sides by 6a. Now we write this: x over 6a is equal to 12ab over 6a. Now a will cancel this, 6 ones are 6 twos are, and here also a minus b. We do not write here a minus b. Yes. Here we write this: x over 6a is equal to 2b over a minus b. Now by using componendo dividendo theorem. This it means this plus this, x plus 6a or x minus 6a is equal to 2b plus a minus b, this, and here in the denominator 2b minus a minus b. Okay. We write this: x plus 6a over x minus 6a is equal to 2 only b here, b plus a, in the denominator 2b minus a plus b. And we write again: x plus 6a over x minus 6a is equal to a plus b over this plus 3b and minus a. Now by using invertendo theorem we get, and invertendo mean we change this the fraction. This will become the numerator and this will become the denominator. Similarly this will become the numerator and this will become the denominator. Now x minus 6a over x plus 6, okay, is equal to 3b minus a over a plus b. Now this is our first result, and we take again by taking again x is equal to 12ab over a minus b. Now this is a minus b, okay, a minus b, dividing both sides by, and both sides divided by 6b. Now this 6b, and we write again: x over 6b is equal to 12ab over 6b into a minus b. Now this 6 twos are, and b will cancel this, and we have here x over 6b is equal to 2a over a minus b. By using componendo dividendo theorem, this and we write again this is this here, and x plus 6b over x minus 6b, this is equal to 2a plus a minus b over 2a minus a minus b. Write this again, x plus 6b over x minus 6b is equal to 3a minus b over 2a minus a plus b. Write again, x plus 6b over x minus 6b is equal to 3a minus b over a plus b. Now this is equal to this, and this is our second result. Now this subtracting 2 from 1, subtracting 2 from 1, 2 from 1, and we write this. First is this x minus 6a over x plus 6a, this minus this x plus 6b over x minus 6b is equal to, we write first a 3b plus minus a, 3b minus a over a plus b, and this also minus 3a minus b over a plus b. Now we take this side and we solve this. Again is equal to, we write the LCM of this a plus b. This divided by this 1, we multiply this 1 with same, write same, minus a minus. This divided by this 1, multiply this same, and we write in bracket we call here minus 3a minus b. Again is equal to 3b minus a minus 3a and plus b. Yes, we write this a plus b, and we write here again 3b plus b 4b minus 3 minus a minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 4 minus 4b minus 4a over a plus b. Now we take a common from this 4 and we write this b minus a over a plus b. Okay, we write this is 4a b minus a, 4a b minus a, 4a b minus a, and write this is 3b minus a minus 3a minus b, 3b minus a minus 3a minus b, and write here 3a minus a, 3b minus a, and minus 3b this minus a, and minus 3a minus b, minus this 3b minus a and minus 3a plus b, not plus b, and we write the answer of this. This is our answer because we have find 4b minus 4a over a plus. Now this is our result. This is the same. This is the answer. And now this is equal to x minus 6a over x plus 6a and minus x plus 6b over x minus 6b. Now this is the answer of this. We have find the value of this. Now this is the fourth part of question number 1 or question number 2 of exercise 3.4. We take this and by using the component of dividend theorem we will find the value of this. We write again x is equal to 3y z over y minus z. We have to find this and dividing both sides, because we have to minus 3 plus 3 both side by 3y. Now 3 x over 3y is equal to 3yz over 3y into y minus z. Now 3 will cancel this and y will cancel this, and we have x over 3y is equal to z over y minus z. By using componendo dividendo theorem. It means this plus this in the numerator and this minus this in the denominator. X plus 3y and x minus 3y is equal to same z plus y minus z. Here z minus into y minus z, this, and we write again this, and this z will cancel, and we have y only, and z minus y plus z, and we write here x, this x plus 3y over x minus 3y is equal to y over this 2z minus y. Now by using because we want to write this 3 minus y, x minus 3y, x minus y, we find this by using the invertendo theorem. By using invertendo theorem, this, we shift this x minus 3y over x plus 3y is equal to 2z minus y over y. Yes, this is also, this is our first result. And now by taking again, by taking again x is equal to 3yz over 3yz over y minus z, and now we have to find x plus 6b and dividing divided by 3z, dividing both sides by 3z. Now 3z, x over 3z is equal to 3yz over 3z in bracket y minus z. 3 will cancel, z will cancel, and we have right here x over 3z is equal to y over y minus z. Now again by using componendo dividendo theorem, this, and we write x plus 3z and x minus 3z is equal to y plus y minus z over y minus into y minus y minus z, this y, this y minus z, we write again is equal to this 2y minus here y minus y plus z. Now this will cancel, we have 2y minus z over z. Now this is equal, this is we write again x plus 3z over x minus 3z. Now write again x plus 3z and over x minus 3z is equal to 2y minus z over z. This is our 2, and subtracting 2 from 1, subtracting 2 from 1, this. Now write 1 again, x minus 3y over x plus 3y, this right here x plus 3z over x minus 3z with the result of this, and this is equal to 2z minus y over y, and also minus, and we write this 2y minus z over z. Now we take this and solve this is equal to, we write, take the LCM yz here, y divided by this, cancel this, and z multiply this, z into 2z minus y. Here minus this divided by this y, and y inside this 2y minus z, this. Okay, we again explain this, 2z square minus yz, and minus 2y square and plus yz over yz. Okay, now this will cancel this, and you have only 2z square minus 2y square and over yz. We take 2 common from this, and z square minus y square over yz. Now we have the answer of this. We write this answer, x minus 3y over x plus 3y and minus x plus 3z and x minus 3z. Now we same as write this. Now this is the result of find the value of this. This is the value of this.